How to design a high-proof, successful cannabis store by Zulueta Architecture. Our goal is to design a successful cannabis retail store, and our audience for today are small business startups and designers. So let's get started. How big is the cannabis store? So you can start with a small cannabis store. It can be less than 1,000 square foot. And what I have shown here is a floor plan for a cannabis store that is about 600 square foot in area. It's 26 feet by 21 feet. What's a good location? Your store should be in a high traffic area, as long as you're allowed by zoning. What's the look of the store? Should be modern, clean, and open. And what's shown here captures that. It's for urbanites and it's got a very contemporary look to it. What are the design items to consider? So one of the items to consider is the safe room. The safe room is where you have the storage of the product, the cannabis product. And so in certain jurisdictions, there's very special requirements for this room. What I've shown here is this room was required to have a steel mesh on the walls. Another item to consider is security. There's very special requirements for security of a cannabis store. If you would look at the floor plan, there are cameras all throughout the store. There is a door sensor on the front entrance and also on the back door. The back door has a keypad. There is also motion detector all throughout the store. And the safe room has also its own security requirement. So let's take a look at the floor plan. For this floor plan, you've got a front retail or sales area. And so you've got glass counters on the retail area. And on the back, you've got the storage room. This is the storage of the cannabis. And the storage room, the public is not allowed any access to the storage room. You've got a barrier-free toilet, one barrier-free toilet, and there's a small security room. And so for this layout, you would be allowed up to maybe 10 users, not more than that, for this kind of layout by code. Here are some interior photos of the store. In closing, I hope you learned from this presentation. If you need more information, feel free to contact me at info@zuluetarchitecture.com. Take care and have a good day. Bye.